Hi everyone, my name is Jacklyn, and I first heard about INEGBEN GRC program through a friend who had referred me when I spoke to him about transitioning from my background to GRC. Coming from a law and UI UX background, I already understood the importance of documentations, structure, policy making, and I wanted to make sure that I understood that and connect with it properly in terms of cybersecurity and compliance. Before joining the program, GRC felt a bit broad because it had so many bodies that were involved with it, because it's one thing to have governance, risk, and then compliance. I mean, they're integrated, but at the same time, each have their own roles to play, just like a human body. How, obviously, it's oneness, but different roles, different parts of the body play different roles. What I would say is I learned a lot of stuff through INEGBEN because I have learned how to think about risk, controls, governance, compliance, and many other things in a more practical sense. Because before, it seemed like it was a lot of math, but it's something that has to do with making sure that you learn as much as possible, having a broad mindset towards what security is supposed to be about. I've noticed that it's kind of like a police and thief thing. So it's basically how to learn the police part of the work against like the thieves of our society, right? Like the ransomware and other things, basically. So I learned so many things, from the frameworks to the live sessions that we had, where we had applied the things, the terminologies that we had taken in and put them into real life work that was supposed to apply in companies, should we get hired, and other factors. Being able to listen to these things made me more confident on the stance that I had in terms of my understanding of what cybersecurity was supposed to be about, particularly in the GRC field. Through INEGBEN, I learned things that also made me understand what businesses were doing from the back-end perspective in terms of business continuation. Things made me it made me look at things deeper, very differently, because at the end of the day, it's very important that you look at how businesses continue their stuff from the protection perspective and not just the monetary perspective. And that was what I learned about INEGBEN. One thing I really appreciate about this program is it does not just teach you definitions. It basically changes how you think about things. For example, companies that I've admired so much, I've thought about things very differently, and I'm like, oh wow, is this how they actually do things back end? And I was able to understand things from a very different perspective. My feedback is that this program has been very valuable and encouraging because it helped me feel more confident on the stance of what I understand about cybersecurity, and apply these things in my interviews, when I talk to hiring recruiters and so on and so forth. And yes, I would 100% advise anyone interested in GRC to take this on board and learn a lot of things. Maybe you want to start your business. You can see from a different perspective on how to protect your business as well. So that's what INEGBEN has taught me, and that is why I would 100% recommend someone being on board with INEGBEN. Thank you very much for listening, and have a lovely day or night or whatever time it is of the day. And thank you, INEGBEN Academy. Bye.